Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from a project here in Basecamp, right? So first stop, log into your Basecamp account. And once done, make sure that you are under the dashboard or Basecamp dashboard, okay? Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and click on Admin Land, okay? Click on it and make sure that you are the owner of this specific project, okay? And once done, just go ahead over to Manage People, click on it. And then in here, the list at the top is your team. And at the top is your project name. Right here at the very bottom is your client or your clients. Okay. Now, if you want to remove someone, for example, it's your freelancer right here, just look at the name, or you can go ahead and use the search bar and type down the name. And then once done, click on three dots. And then here you can go ahead and click on Change Access. And then what you'll do is go ahead over to the grant access section and make sure to untick all the projects that he or she is tied. All right. Once done, just hit on Save Changes right here. And after that, again, click on three dots and click on Edit Info. And at the very bottom, you have, I want to remove this person from this account. Just click on it. And there will be a simple prompt. It says here, this cannot be undone. Ryan will be removed from all projects and pings on this account. They won't be able to log into this account in the future unless you re-invite them. Everything they've posted will remain in place, and the to-dos, cards, and steps assigned will still show their name. Okay? And when you remove them to your project, let's say hit on OK right here, they will be gone, but their account will still be usable. All right? But without any project. And that is it. That is how you remove someone from a project in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.